Morning guys, it's Matt here from the Fortified Roofing Group, and today we're in the Gap on an architectural home that had numerous amounts of water issues over the last few years. The owners have decided to replace the roof with a Colorbond surf mist roofing system, and also we'll be replacing the guttering with a 175 quad gutter. We'll also be installing Anticon insulation to improve the thermal efficiency of this home. I can't wait to see how this one comes out, so let's check it out. Look guys, if you're looking for a reputable roofing company who can look after you from a small job to a large job and anywhere in between, give us a call at fortified.com.au and we'll be happy to help.